Hello friends, welcome once again. On 13th March 2023, we are planning to conduct a free offline gap analysis workshop. The timing will be from 9:45 to 4:30 p.m. and this will essentially be showing you the performance gap in psychological test. And for that, I'll share you a PDF, those of you are interested to attend that. And in that PDF, I'll share you 2 TAT pictures, 15 WAT, 6 SRT, and few structured questions on self-description. Not the conventional one, but few amendments, small changes in that. And to get that PDF, you can WhatsApp me at the given numbers, that is 9090099035 or 82755775650. Now all people who have their SSB in the near future, I'll suggest you to go through that. Anyway, it is free. उससे आपको ये पता चल जाएगा कि आप जो साइकोलॉजिकल टेस्ट रेस्पॉन्स लिख रहे हो, आप एक समझ से लिख रहे हो. You can actually verify, is the thing what you write, is it correctly understood by the psychologist, and does what you write in TAT, what you write in WAT and SRT and what you claim in SD, क्या इनके बीच में जुड़ाव है, कॉन्ग्रुएंस है, इंट्रा टेक्निक कॉन्ग्रुएंस, इसको हम एस्टैब्लिश करके देंगे. नाउ दोस ऑफ यू कमिंग फॉर द गैप एनालिसिस वर्कशॉप, आप लोग उस PDF में देयर आर अबाउट 12 वीडियोस जिसका लिंक आई हैव एम्बेडेड देयर. काइंडली वॉच देम बिकॉज दैट विल हेल्प यू टू अंडरस्टैंड द गैप एनालिसिस वर्कशॉप मच बेटर. उस गैप एनालिसिस वर्कशॉप में आपको साइकोलॉजिकल टेस्ट रेस्पॉन्स में ये पता चल जाएगा कि व्हाट इज द एक्सपेक्टेड लेवल ऑफ परफॉर्मेंस एंड विथ रेफरेंस टू दैट वेयर डू यू स्टैंड. इस डेल्टा, इस गैप को आइडेंटिफाई करके आपको पता चल जाएगा. And we will see if I can give you a sample story, or I'll make one through discussion so that you exactly know कि इसको करना कैसे है. And उसके अलावा 13th मार्च से लेके 18th मार्च 2023 तक we have a 1 week psychological test which will include screening and psych test and also personal interview. 2 weeks batch is not available. This is the last batch in the month of March. 13th से 18th, 1 week psychological test which will include screening as well plus personal interview. So those of you who wish to attend that, you're most welcome. The next regular batch will be from 10th April 2023 onwards. I'm showing you the details of the batches. You can refer to this and you can book your travel plan accordingly. Now, those of you who cannot come for the offline free gap analysis workshop, you can also undertake this test by getting the PDF from us, by sending a WhatsApp on the given numbers, and you can also get your responses analyzed at a very very nominal cost, that is rupees 299 only, so that you understand कि आप जो लिख रहे हो वो अगले को समझ में आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है. बिकॉज जब तक आपको वो क्लैरिटी नहीं मिलेगा कम्युनिकेशन में, तब तक ये बड़ा गलत हो जाएगा कि आप कुछ भी लिख दो और ये समझ लो कि वो अगला बंदा समझ के आपको रेकमेंड कर देगा. सो ऑफलाइन 13 मार्च को इट इज़ फ्री, एंड पीपल हु कैनॉट कम एन ऑफलाइन, you have to pay a nominal fees of rupees 299 and get the entire thing one-to-one analyzed, and you will get a video recording of the same. In fact, you and me will interact with each other and you will get a क्या बोलते हैं video recording of the same, and I'm sure this will help you. So thank you and may God bless you. Thank you very much.